In a heartwarming gesture, MLA Charles Marngar provided a newly built home to an underprivileged family in Umshiao village, Mauhati constituency, Ribhoi district. The family, consisting of Kong Emilda Nongrum and Ba Clement Lingdo, had been living in a dilapidated house, but thanks to Marngar's kindness, they now have a safe and stable place to call their own. Here is a report.
Marngar personally funded the construction of the new house, allocating a portion of his salary to ensure the family's well-being. The community also came together to support the family, with several members donating household essentials and the village headman Andor Bashnong playing an active role in the construction process.
Bala yalam ya gejingim kejongi yang kum nong nikmat tengkat mapi ki nong snong jong dari snong bat kerpang nak kebenta ki try jong ni kayeng kemangin IT kene kayeng sengi kemang kecna.
The house was officially handed over on March 26, 2025 in a simple ceremony attended by church leaders to Menbasan Bishila, village headman Ba Kom Lapang and other community members. The moment was emotionally bringing tears of joy to the mother of the household.
Kibala pan yo sngo hakane kapor kilong tang kita kebadon ya kemensim jong kajing ya tibla moba. Ya kajing sngo kurdor jong kata kajing yo priang ya kajing kerku langba jongno.
This is not the first time Marngar has shown his support for underprivileged families. In January 2025, he assisted Kong Sunita Marbanyang and Ba Parding Lang Walang in Larbyang village, demonstrating his commitment to helping those in need. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now the weather.